everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Helpline. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create YouTube shorts on YouTube. To get started, let's open YouTube app. This is your main page. Here you can see many options like home, shorts, plus, subscription and you. In order to make shorts, let's click on plus icon. Here you can see many options like video, short, live and post. As we are here to make short video, let's click on short. Now here either you can select videos from your gallery by clicking on select more photos, or you can just make a video. To upload, click on upload short. In this way you can create shorts on YouTube. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.